Towel Pros Deal of the Week.
Hey everyone, it's Rob bringing from Towel Pros. In addition to our monthly deals, we are going to try to do little things here and there called the weekly deals. And in this case, Rob, the owner of Towel Pros, not paying attention, ordered a batch of the black edgeless towels and then found a batch of black edgeless towels. So let's get rid of some black edgeless towels. These are 16 by 16 inches, 380 GSM, edgeless. I always promote them as a good all-around, all-purpose type towel. Some guys are folding them and using them to level coatings because the nap is pretty low. It's not as plush as like the 450 blue one, which it's sitting upon right now. Normally these are $2.25 each on the website. Right now, until the inventory goes down, we're going to sell them for $1.25. They do come 12 to a pack, but if you don't order 12, it's fine. We're just going to break open the pack and we'll seal them up for you anyway. And there you go. So deal of the week, $1.25, 16 by 16 black edgeless. Pretty cool deal. Thanks so much. Towel Pros.
Go to towelpros.com, click Shop Online, and look for the new category Deal of the Week.